Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Oge, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I believe you all know why we are here today. I'm about to unbox the latest addition to my kitchen. I want to unbox my new 3-in-1 sandwich maker, Sokany sandwich maker, and I want us to do this unboxing together. This video will be divided into 3 parts: the unboxing, testing, and my review. I'll give my honest review. So I hope this is something you enjoy watching. Please don't go anywhere. Grab your popcorn, sit back, relax, and let's get right into it. This is my new Sokany 3-in-1 sandwich maker. Drum rolls. Let's get right into this unboxing. This sandwich maker comes with a user manual. Of course, this is to be expected, and in here is written instructions on how to operate the sandwich maker. It also comes with warranty, 1-year warranty. This is the grill pan of this sandwich maker. Remember, this is a 3-in-1. So I think this is the grill pan, and it's looking like it's non-stick. This is the second part of the sandwich maker, and I think these are for making toasts, and they come in pairs. This is the third and last part of the sandwich maker, and these are for making waffles. It looks so good. To bring it out, you have to click on the button right there and it comes out. It is very easy to operate. Repeat the same process and there you go. If you want to fix it back in, watch me closely. You see those things I'm pointing at? Provisions were made for them on the body of the sandwich maker. You just have to fix them into the right position and it clicks. You don't have to do too much. Watch me closely. You can see that. Now look at the provisions made for them on the body of the machine. Just follow my hands. Now you have to fix it directly into the position made for it, and there you go. So it's time for us to wash this sandwich maker before we can use it. So let's get right into that. For short videos, you can check out my YouTube shorts, Facebook reels, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos. I have a lot of interesting videos that are a minute long or less on these platforms, and I'm very sure you enjoy watching them. So please do well to search for Oge Anyoko on all social media platforms, and do well to follow my pages, watch my videos, comment, subscribe, just do all the good stuff. I'm done with washing and drying every part of the sandwich maker, and it's time to test run it. I'll be starting with the grill pan. See how easy it is for me to fix that in. It's so easy to use. I have my bread. I'll add my filling. Let me know in the comment section if you want a recipe on how I made this. After adding enough filling, I topped it up with another slice of bread, covered it, and I plugged it in. I let this grill, should I say grill? But this was on for about 3 minutes, and after the light went out, this is what we have. Next up is to try the toast part of this pan. I added 2 slices of bread, added the same filling, covered that, and I let it do its thing. At first, I was finding it very difficult to close the sandwich maker, I guess because I added too much filling. But then I got a hang of it and I closed it properly. I let it sit for about 4 minutes, after which it was ready, and this is what it looked like. Super yummy. To try out the waffle maker, I mixed up a quick batter. I added flour, eggs, milk, sugar, a pinch of salt, and it was good to go. I added enough. I added it generously into the provision made for it, covered that, and I let it cook. This took a longer time, I think about 5 to 6 minutes, after which it was ready. See how sumptuous it looks. This came out so well. Welcome back. this is it for this unboxing video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Now this is my review, my honest review. We also how the waffle and the bread toast turned out. Super nice. They came out really well. So I'll rate the Sandwichmaker a 9 out of 10 because why not? It did the job. So it's a 9 out of 10 for me. And I'm also considering filming a breakfast series where I get to put my new Sandwichmaker into good use. Let me know if you want that. Let me know if you want to watch the videos or not. But I really hope you want to watch the videos because I really want to try making a lot of sandwiches and other recipes using my new Sandwichmaker. So this is it for this unboxing video. Please like, share, and leave me your comments in the comment section. Thank you for stopping by, and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.